in a string. So you have learned that in Python programming language, we have two types of numbers. Integers, which are whole numbers like 10, they don't have a decimal point, and floating point numbers or floats, which are numbers with a decimal point. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to look at the arithmetic operations supported in Python language. These are the same arithmetic operations that we have in math. We can add numbers, multiply them, and so on. So let's look at a few examples. We can print 10 plus 3. So this is the addition operator. We also have subtraction. We have multiplication. We have two kinds of division. Here's one with a forward slash. Let's run this program and see what we get. We get a floating point number. But we also have another division operator for getting an integer. So if we add another slash here and run this program, we get an integer. We have another operator called modulus, which is a percent sign, and this returns the remainder of the division. So when we run this program, we should get 1. There you go. And one last operator we have here is exponent, which is the power. So that is indicated with 2 asterisks, and this will return 10 to the power of 3. So let's run this program, we get 1,000. So these are the arithmetic operators in Python programming language. Now for all these operators that you learned, we have an augmented assignment operator. That is very useful. Let me show you. So let's say we have a variable called x. We set it to 10. Now we want to increment this by 3. We'll have to write code like this. X, we set this to x plus 3. So Python interpreter will add 10 to 3. The result is 13, and then it gets stored into x again. So when we print x, we should see 13. There you go. So this is how we can increment a number, right? Now, augmented assignment operator is a way to write the same code, but in a shorter form. This is how it works. We type x plus equals 3. What we have on line 3 is exactly like what we have on line 2. So this is what we call the augmented assignment operator. We have augmented or enhanced the assignment operator. Now, in this particular case, we are incrementing a number using the augmented assignment operator, but we can also subtract or multiply a number by a given value. For example, let's delete what we have on line 2. We can type subtract equal 3. So here we are subtracting 3 from x. When we run this program, we should see 7.